Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Butterfly Beauty here, and today I'm going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing video. Now surprisingly, I ended up with two boxes. I'm not sure how I ended up with these two boxes, but I will be opening both of them and seeing if I got any repeats or anything like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and join the Butterfly Squad. I post videos every week. I'm going to try to post videos every week. So yeah, just hit the notification bell and the subscribe button down below. And without further ado, let's get So I have my knife here. Okay. Hopefully I got that Pure Cosmetics, I think it was called. I just seen it. Okay. So they actually sent me March's FOMO box. I think this was this was last month's box. So that's exciting. I didn't think that I was gonna end up getting last month's and this month's box. I only paid for 1 month. So anyways, I'm gonna go over last month's box then too. So for last month, they have this eye brush set from Moda, and this is the powder and soft glow brush. That's cool. I always like getting brushes in my Boxycharms because I actually do use them a lot. And I also got the Unlashed, I think that's what it says, Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara by Wander Beauty. It's interesting. I've never seen a mascara come in like a squeezy tube sort of thing, so that's new. I also got the Ariza Beauty. It's just a lip gloss, like a lip topper sort of thing. This is really pretty. I don't usually get a whole lot of lip glosses. I only have like 2 in my collection so far. That's just because I don't really wear them that much, but this is really pretty. Yeah, I like this. And I also got the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. And this is cool because I actually gave this one. I think this is the one that I got last time. I gave it to my mom. So yeah, this is one that I gave to my mom last time. The little thing fell out. Yeah, this is the same exact one that I gave to my mom last time. I will actually be saving this for a giveaway then. Or maybe someone else would want it. So I got this Tula Probiotic Skincare Bright All Night Energizing Sheet Mask. Ooh, I love a good sheet mask. I just ran out of what I had on my collection of sheet masks, so I'm going to be ordering a lot more. And I usually get them off of Hush for like $3. So I love a good sheet mask. I've also tried the Sephora ones when they were on sale, and those are really nice too. So I just got 2 of these, and this is the Tula Probiotic Skincare Bright All Night Energizing Sheet Mask. So I'm assuming you put this on it and leave it in at night. No. You only leave it on for 10 minutes. Never mind. So this is not an overnight mask. I like the little baggie that it came with. It's nice. So, okay. Sorry. So this was the March FOMO box, and I'm actually really surprised because I didn't think, like I said, I didn't think I was gonna get one from a previous month. Okay. So this one, I will probably be giving it away or giving it to my sister or something. But I am keeping the rest, and I'm going to try these brushes out in a future video. I think I might make a dedicated video to this mascara just because I'm so curious about the squeezy tube and all that sort of stuff. So I really liked this first box. I think it was awesome. Sorry, I'm all over the place. And on the card, the estimated value for the March FOMO box was, what the heck? This is $24. This is an expensive ass mascara. The hell? So if my calculations are correct for the March FOMO box, in total it is $114, and you're only paying $21 a month. So that means you're saving about $83 or so, which to me, it's really awesome. Most of the stuff that is in here, with the exception of one was only $15, but everything else was like $30 and $24. So that's really awesome. Moving on to this month's box, which I was really excited about this month's box, because I was really excited about this month's box because I really wanted to get the was it the Pure Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. Ooh, okay. So this month's theme is peace, love, and boxy is what it says here. It's pretty nice. More brushes. Okay, so the first thing that stands out to me for the April box is the Luxie Summer Days brush set. These are really nice. I think I got, no, last time I got the Alamar Cosmetics brush set, which I use daily. I seriously use them so much. So this is for contouring, and then you get a shader and a small shader brush. So you get 2 eyeshadow brushes and then 1 for your face, which is really nice. More brushes to add to my collection. Voila. Anyways, I also got the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder, and I got this in the shade Purple Dream. Oh my gosh, no. Did I get a purple one? No. I'm gonna be so sad if I got a purple one, because I wanted the this is really, this looks like it's gonna be really tan for me. I don't know, it just doesn't look like it's gonna go with my shade. Hopefully it does. If not, I will just give it away to someone who can use it. I got another gloss. I got the holographic lip gloss by Appeal. This is really nice too. This is giving me like very like Coachella vibes and all that stuff, but it's really pretty. And I don't want to open these because a lot of the times my Boxycharm stuff I will give away, or like stuff that I don't plan on using. So lip glosses and stuff like that, I'm usually not sure about opening them because sometimes I do end up giving them away. Moving on, I got the Bodyography Bally Bronze Eye Pencil. Yeah, I got it in the shade Bally Bronze. And it looks just like this. This is an eye pencil, but I don't think I would use this on my waterline. I think it would look a little bit weird. But anyways, moving on to the good stuff. What I'm really excited about, because I saw the pictures for this eyeshadow palette and I thought it looked so stunning. It just looks so pretty. And I've never tried a I don't know if I'm saying this right. Puree. I don't know if I'm saying this right. I've never tried anything from them. So this is exciting for me. This is so pretty. I like it. It's like, I think their whole theme this month was like Coachella-ish vibes, like festival vibes. Guys, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. This is, I'm gonna take this off because I'm using this. I'm not giving this away. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I'm really liking this one, the 24K Magic. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I'm super excited. Okay, this keeps shaking because it's mounted on my table, but anyways, I'm so excited about this palette. Oh my gosh, yes. Okay, I'm so happy. I get so happy when I get new makeup. Let me do the total for this box and I will come back and give you guys my final thoughts, kind of, even though I haven't tried any of this stuff. So the total for the April box is actually a lot more than the one for the March FOMO box. The total for the April box is $126. So you only pay $21 a month, so you end up saving $105, which is awesome. I think Boxycharm is a really good subscription deal because they've been really stepping it up lately, in my personal opinion. The only reason why I had canceled Boxycharm for a few months was because I needed like that extra money and I was kind of hoarding a lot of makeup. But I also want to review more products for you guys, and this is a more affordable option for me to do it because I mean you get so many amount of new products for $21 a month, and I think it's great. So I resubscribed. Hopefully you guys will get more reviews and stuff out of this stuff. I do want to review the eyeshadow palette and this this mascara here by Wonder Beauty. This is really, like, I don't know, it's really intriguing me. I don't even know what the heck it looks like on the inside because I want to save that for another video for you guys. Yeah, everything else I think is really awesome too, like the brush sets. The brush set, this one here says, I think it was $30, and this one was around the same price. So you get really high quality brushes. My Alamar Cosmetics brushes, I got them sometime last year and they're still going strong. I use them, like I said, not daily, but like almost all the time in my makeup routine. So I really recommend it. I'm just really happy right now. I really love the products that I got. If you guys enjoyed this unboxing video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below on any of the products that you guys, if you guys would like to see a review on any of the products that I have shown you guys here. I hope you guys have a good one, and I'll see you guys next time.